Hi, Linda. Who entered your pot? Who's eating your food, Linda? Hello. Hi, Bobby. What's up, Bobito? It's Linda. She's thirsty. Yes, Bobby. Yes, It's a rainy day and our Otto is back at the park. It's completely recovered. I thought. Otto. I thought, Otto. It's okay. Otto, hide. That is Suki. She doesn't let me approach. I have to zoom in to record Suki. And she comes rarely, by the way. Hello, Suki. Look how cute you are. Oh. Oh, Simon is interested in her. Chico. Hi, Chico. Simon. She will run away. Yep. Ah, pity. Hi, Mau Mau. It's Fauci, Linda, Woody. Otto is eating. And who's this? Ah, no, this is Mau Mau. That was Bam Bam, his brother. Small one. This one loves me. Inky. Melita. Hi, Melita. And the rest. Toby was missing for a few days. We were worried, but he's perfectly fine. Toby.